Meantime, two of the three protesters arrested for chalking the Pulse Memorial crosswalk last night in Orlando have walked out of jail without posting bond. Unlike the first arrest from Friday night, this time the judge found Florida Highway Patrol did have probable cause to make the arrests. West 2 Justin Tucker is live at the Orange County Jail, where one of those protesters is still behind bars. Justin.
And Jesse, the attorney for the protesters, says one of them is still in jail at this hour because FHP added a criminal mischief charge after initial appearance. I'm told they are working to bond that person out. Meanwhile, the arrest reports from last night by FHP are much more detailed, but the attorney says troopers unlawfully arrested protesters for exercising their right to free speech.
Damage to property, criminal mischief, interference with a traffic control device, damage of $1,000 or more. One by one, the three protesters appear before a judge from the Orange County Jail late Monday morning.
Shame! Shame! Shame!
FHP troopers took them away in handcuffs for putting chalk down the Pulse Memorial crosswalk Sunday night.
That they failed to allege an actual $1,000 or more in damage with water-soluble chalk, that the crosswalk is an extension of the sidewalk, which is a traditionally held public forum for free speech.
They're each represented by Orlando attorney Blake Simons.
The judge did find under the four corners of these arrest affidavits that are sworn affidavits by these FHP officers that there was probable cause. However, there are no formal charges against any of these three individuals.
FHP released copies of the arrest affidavits for Zane Aparicio, Mary Jane East, and Donovan Short, who goes by Melody. Unlike the affidavit for Sebastian Suarez's arrest on Friday night, two of them say FDOT provided the cost to return the traffic control device to its original state as $1,562.
So I would refer you to the DOT memo.
Governor Ron DeSantis in Orlando last week said artwork and markings, regardless of their messaging, need to be removed from state, county, and city roads to comply with the new FDOT regulations.
The Pulse Memorial being one of the first places painted over with these new alleged FDOT regulations was the first blow in this fight. This fight has now become bigger with Sebastian's arrest and now the arrest of the three individuals last night.
Simon says this is now a fight over FHP selectively enforcing the law against individuals exercising their First Amendment rights.
Immediately after these three individuals were arrested, a black SUV approached the crosswalk two different times and performed a burnout with their tires on the crosswalk, leaving actual damage that doesn't wash away with the Florida rain. FHP did nothing.
And last night, demonstrators marched to Orlando City Hall and began chalking there. Attorney Simon says that is the right place to continue protesting away from the Pulse Memorial for the 49 Angels. The two people already released from jail today have very little to say at the advice of their attorney. We're covering Orange County Live in Orlando. I'm Justin Shecker, WESH 2 News.